Easy English Podcast, Common Grammar Mistakes. Hello and welcome to Easy English Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Today, we're talking about some really common grammar mistakes that English learners make all the time.
Yes, these are small mistakes, but fixing them will make your English sound much more natural. Let's start with one of the most confusing ones, your versus your.
Oh yeah, I hear this mistake a lot. People say things like, "you're welcome," instead of, "you're welcome."
Exactly. So here's the difference. Your is a possessive word, meaning it shows that something belongs to you. For example, your jacket looks nice. It means the jacket belongs to you.
But your is short for you are. Like in you're really good at English. That means you are really good at English.
A simple trick is to try replacing the word with you are. If the sentence still makes sense, then your is correct.
So instead of saying you're welcome, you should say you're welcome.
Exactly. All right, now let's talk about another mistake. There, and there.
Oh no, this one is tricky. They all sound the same.
They do, but their meanings are different. There refers to a place like in, the keys are over there on the table.
Right. And there shows possession, meaning something belongs to them. Like, that's their dog.
And finally, there is just short for they are. So if I say they're going to the movies, I mean they are going to the movies.
A good way to check is to see if you can replace the word with they are. If it makes sense, then there is correct.
Exactly. One last mistake that people make is saying I done instead of I did.
Oh yes, I hear people say things like, "I done my homework" all the time, but the correct way to say it is, "I did my homework."
Right. Done needs a helping verb like have. You can say I have done my homework, but if there's no have, just say I did.
So it's, "I did my homework" or "I have done my homework." Never, "I done my homework."
Exactly. These are small but important mistakes to fix.
And once you get them right, your English will sound much more natural.
That's all for today's episode. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow, share, and subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
We post daily lessons to help you improve your English step by step. See you in the next episode.